tight, you stop right there. Then you pick up the insert that comes with the kit, and you stick it into the end of the tool, and you can lose the long end now to screw it in. Before, we couldn't use it this way for the other part because this would hit, but there's enough clearance for it to turn sideways like this. The insert just goes inside, and then you turn it to thread it into the hole. Then you put the bolt back in and tighten it up. Get it nice and snug. Then we hook up the wires for the starter here. Then we'll hook the battery cable back up. Remember to always take one of the battery terminals off when you're working on an electrical system so you don't short anything off when you're working. And when you're done, you just put it back on. Then we cross our fingers and see what happens. Success! So the next time you've got a strip thread on an engine, why not fix it yourself with one of these kits? And remember, if you've got any car questions, just visit the Scotty Kelmer channel, and I'll answer them as soon as I'm done driving this Ferrari.